welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be a very simple get ready with me video. So today is Saturday, June 9, 2018, and as you all guys know, every Saturday my son has his karate class, and so I thought of filming how I prepare myself, my face for today, since we are going out, and we are planning to watch Jurassic World today. So alright, so let's get started. I have already washed my face and I have already moisturized my face as well. So I am going to use my Quick Effects No Shine Mattifier as my primer, but I still have my Maybelline pore eraser, and I'm really just waiting for it to be consumed, and then I'm gonna buy a new one. Still, I think in my previous video I told you guys that I'm thinking of I'm torn between Benefit Professional and the NYX Angel Veil. So until now I haven't decided yet. And so after that, I am going to use, I have already primed my face, so for my foundation, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation, and I will be using my the shade 140 or Golden Beige. So there. And I'll be mixing it with my Revlon Color Stay, and this is in the shade 1110 or Ivory. So this one is very light on me, and this one naman is so dark on me, so I'm planning to mix them together for me to get the shade suited for my skin tone today. I kind of got a little bit tan because we had a team building from my school, so yun, medyo naarawan ng konti, and mabilis akong magtan, mabilis akong umitim. And at the same time, mabilis din namang bumalik yung color ko. Siguro in a matter of 1 to 2 weeks, I can already, well, depende kung how long I was exposed to sunlight. So yan. I'm just going to mix them together. I have been using this kind of mixture for, well, I used this mixture for times wherein I know that I won't be able to do touch-ups. So, kasi the Revlon Color Stay is really, it's really staying, and sometimes mahirap siyang tanggalin kasi nga it really stays on your skin, on your face for a very long time. Like, the whole day siyang magsistay and you will not oil up. Well, as for me, that's the case. Hindi ako nag-oil up sa Revlon Color Stay, and it's really very nice sa oily skin. Yun. Kaya gusto ko yung Color Stay, yung Revlon Color Stay, if I know that I won't be able to do touch-ups. I will be putting some on my neck as well. In the camera, it may look white, pero sa in person and sa mirror, hindi. Siguro medyo ano lang yung lighting ko. Pero yun nga, hindi siya ganun kaputi. And hindi na, for me, parang hindi ko na masyadong gusto yung maputing-maputi yung face. Parang these past few weeks and probably a couple of months, since a couple of months ago, parang nagugustuhan ko yung medyo nagtatan yung face ko. So ayoko nang masyadong maputi. Yan. So meron pa akong natirang konti, and I don't know, alam ko na. I'll be using this for later sa lips. Okay, so I'll be patting some powder. I'll be using my Eyeshadow Final Powder in Creamy Glow. This is my ever trusted powder. I'd like to try the Laura Mercier powder, kaya lang medyo expensive siya, and dun sa price na yon makakabili na ako ng high-end na what do you call that? Na foundation. So, I'll be using my Popo ointment for my lips para bago ko maglagay later, moisturize na siya. Kasi medyo nag-dry yung lips ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. I have been using my ColourPop kasi for the past days. Guys, naririnig nyo ba yun? Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Medyo malakas yung ulan. I don't know if there's a typhoon. Pero if I'm not mistaken, 2 days ago, walang pasok. Pero kami sa school, wala pa naman kami talagang pasok. So, pero kaming teachers, we had to go to school. Kasi we are preparing the rooms, the faculty rooms, the classrooms, and all. We're preparing. So, mas gusto naming pumasok para makapag-prepare. So, ayan. So, I have already, I'm already done with my foundation and with my Popo ointment for my lips. And now, I'll proceed to my brows. So, I'm going to use my Daiso, what do you call this again? My Daiso eyebrow pencil. So, what I do, as you all know, I start from the bottom part of my eyebrows para i-outline. And then the topmost part, then saka ko siya i-fill in. Yan, so yung end nito, the other end of this one is the spoolie, which I'm going to use. My Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. I'm just going to use the powder. This one. Yan, kasi hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari dun sa pencil nito. Siguro mga 3 times ko palang nagagamit. Hindi ko na siya ma-twist up. Wala nang lumalabas na product when I twist it up. Hindi na lumalabas yung pencil. So, hindi ako sure kung nabali ko ba siya or nag-stuck talaga siya sa loob. So, what I use in this product na lang is the powder. So, I'm done with my brows. And what I'm going to do next would be my cheeks. So, for blush, since drunk blush nga yung gusto kong gawin and ma-achieve for today, what I'm going to use is my Cloud Ink Velvet from Terry Pera. So, this one. This is in the shade number 5. Yeah, this is in the shade number 5. So, yan siya. Okay. Since medyo dark yung not dark, sobrang red siya, I'm gonna show you the swatch. So, ganyan siya. Doe Foot applicator. So, ganito yung pagkaka-red niya. So, very rich yung pagkaka-red niya. Parang may pagka-red orange or something. Yan. So, ganyan siya. So, what I'm going to do is, sobrang bango nito. I have two. The other one is my Airy Ink Velvet. This is in the shade number 10. At saka ito. Have different scent. And yun. Later, since mag-gradient lips ako, ito yung gagamitin kong pang base. Tapos ito yung sa inner. Pero itong number 5 yung gagamitin kong pang blush. So yan. So nilagay ko siya dito. And then I'm going to pat it using my fingertips on this part of my cheeks up to here. Okay. So, okay na ako dito sa part na to. I'm gonna do the same thing dito sa other side. So, tap again the product that I placed here. So, same area. And then tapping motion again. Okay. And then there's still more. So I'm gonna get more and place it here. Okay, so next what I'm going to do now would be my lashes. So I'm gonna use my eyelash curler to curl my lashes. And then I'm going to use my Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara, my holy grail. So this is so far my favorite mascara. The other side. Okay, now I'm done with my lashes. What I'm going to do next is eyeshadow. So I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution London eyeshadow palette. This is the Redemption Palette Iconic 2. And I'm just going to use something nude because I don't really want to put an eyeshadow for today. I'm going to use my brush, and I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Fix setting spray, this one. This way kasi I can get the real pigment of the shadow, of the eyeshadow. Down to the second to the last thing that I'm going to do for today. I'm going to use this one, the 020 Rose Gold Highlight. Yeah, this one. This is a liquid highlighter. So, konting-konti lang. I'm going to put this on the highest points of my face. So here, tip ng nose, and here. Ang bango nito. That's why I love using this. And on my chin. Okay, so I think I'm done, and I'm down to the last part of this makeup look, and that would be my lips. So I'll be using this one first, my Airy Ink Velvet in number 10. So ito naman yung shade niya. So ito naman yung shade niya. Medyo nasa purple and pinkish shade siya. Yan. And they both smell really good. Ito yung isa sa mga indication na authentic yung peri-pera na binili mo. So I'm going to put this all over my lips. So this is very nice on the lips, hindi siya drying. And for me, nagsistay siya, pero hindi ganun katagal. Siguro mga, if you put it in the morning, especially if you're eating and drinking, siguro mga 11 o'clock. So if you put it mga 7, siguro mga 11 a.m., you need to reapply. For me, no problem. Doesn't matter. So, yan. Since meron pa akong nung number 5, ipapat ko siya ulit doon naman sa inner lips ko. So, yan. So, yan. I think I'm all set. I'm done with my drunk blush makeup look. And I'm thinking of spraying a little bit of my Pixie Skin Treats Glow Mist. And I'm done. Ayan, so this is my final makeup look, my drunk blush makeup look. This is my version, and alright, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. I'll see you in my next one. Have a good one. Bye!
That